A strong snowstorm stranded about 61 people on hand for a concert Friday night, and there's a good chance they will not be able to leave until Monday. The guests were hunkered down at the Ten Hill Inn after attending the Friday concert by an Oasis tribute band Nurses. According to a report, the storm dumped about 3 feet of snow in the Yorkshire Dales, which is about 1,732 feet above sea level. Beside the snow, fallen power cables have created a dangerous situation outside. The guests are all getting along. The report said managers set up sleeping quarters in the pub's lounge. The New York Times reported that a man at the pub was evacuated by a local rescue group because of a previous medical condition. The guests have been passing the time by singing and watching movies again and again.